Creatine, we all know that it's the most researched supplement ever. But have you ever noticed that how to consume this creatine? Because most of the people just take creatine anytime, anywhere. But if you want the 100% results, if you want to obtain the 100%, the maximum it can give, so you have to take a proper routine. You have to make a proper routine, or you have to take in a particular way to absorb it 100%. So let's talk about it. So first of all, let me tell you that what creatine is. If you're new or you don't even know that what creatine is, let me summarize it for you. So creatine is a supplement which comes from nature, and it is present in mostly in meat. Okay, and you can take 3 to 5 grams of creatine. It's safe, and it's also told by the FSI and also the international bodies. So it's safe to consume 3 to 5 grams of protein, means creatine, every single day. So creatine or creatine monohydrate actually helps your body to repair the damaged muscle tissues. Okay, it fastens your recovery, and also in some cases, in some reports, it was also told that creatine helps in increasing your mind's power. So daily consumption of 3 to 5 grams of creatine can also give you some brain benefits or some mind benefits. But we are here to discuss about the physical elements and the physical benefits we can get from the creatine. So it's about how to consume it. So if you want that your body can consume or absorb all the creatine you have just consumed, so this is the best way to absorb. So what you have to do is you have to take it as in post workout, just after 5 to 10 minutes after you work out. So after workout, when your body gets relaxed, okay, then we actually burns calories. When we do heavy exercises or heavy sets in the gym, after the workout, we actually loses a bit of calories, and this is the best time to consume the creatine. You can just add 200 ml of water with 5 to 3 grams of creatine, and this one is the best for results. And with that, you can also add amount of carbs. For an example, you can just consume a whole banana, or if you don't even have a banana every single day, you can just consume it with Glucon-D or any glucose. Okay, and glucose helps a lot to absorb it. So the best way is to consume is when you do after workout, means post workout meal. So this can absorb or give you the 100%. Oh, so this can give you the 100% potential. I'm not saying that if you take any time, anywhere, the creepy, it will not give you results. I'm saying if you want the 100% of it, then this is the best. Okay. So I hope that you understood that what I told you about the creatine and how to get the 100%. To get the 100% of the results, just take it after your workout. Thank you.